welcome back. In Module 1, you learned how AI is transforming the freelance economy, explore the 10 profitable AI income models, and got hands-on with how to find the real gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Now in Module 2, we're going to zoom in on specific AI-powered freelance services that are not only high in demand, but also perfect for beginners. The first lesson is all about helping you choose a direction. We're breaking down the top 10 most beginner-friendly and in-demand AI freelance gigs. These are services that businesses are actively hiring for right now, and they don't require years of experience or a tech background. Most of them can be delivered with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Zapier, and I will show you how. By the end of this lesson, you will know what gigs are trending, what skills or tools each one involves, and which ones you might want to start with, based on your interests and goals. Alright, first up on the list is AI content writing. This is one of the easiest and fastest gigs to get started with. You are using tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blog posts, email newsletters, or landing page copies. And the best part, most clients don't care what tools you are using. They just want content that's clear, helpful, and optimized for their audience. So, who's hiring for this? Such as bloggers, coaches, e-commerce brands, and small business owners. They need this service because they don't have time to write, but need content to grow. You can enhance your content with tools like Surfer SEO for optimization, Grammarly for clean grammar, and ChatGPT or Jasper to generate drafts quickly. The rates for this gig typically range from 50 to 500 USD per article, depending on the niche, length, and quality. And with the help of AI, you can turn around solid work in a fraction of the time, which gives you more leverage and faster delivery. Next up is career writing. This is another super beginner-friendly service that's in high demand, especially with how competitive the job market is right now. In this gig, you help job seekers improve their resumes, LinkedIn bios, and cover letters using AI tools. You don't need to be an HR expert. Tools like ChatGPT and Resume.io do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You just need to know how to structure things clearly and make it sound professional. So, who needs this service? Think of job seekers, career changers, recruiters, or even career coaches who want help optimizing their own materials or doing it for their clients. To deliver a clean final product, you can use Canva for formatting and polish it all up into something that looks great and reads well. Rates for this service usually starts around 20 USD per profile and can go up to 300 depending on the depth of the work. And since it's often just 1 or 2 pages of writing, this is a fast gig that can stack up quickly. Alright, number 3 is chatbot and AI automation setup. And this is where things start to feel really futuristic, but still totally doable for beginners. In this service, you help clients build simple AI chatbots or automated workflows using tools like Zapier, Make.com, or ManyChat. These tools are all no-code or low-code, which means you don't need a programming background, just a clear understanding of how the tools connect and trigger actions. The demand here is huge. Coaches, consultants, digital agencies, and Shopify store owners, they are all trying to automate parts of their business to save time and scale. That could mean automating lead follow-up, sending onboarding messages, or syncing data across platforms. You will use tools like ChatGPT API for smart responses, Zapier or Make.com to connect apps, and ManyChat for messenger bots. And here's the best part. This is a high-ticket service. Even simple automation setups can start around 200 USD, and more advanced projects can hit 2000 USD or more per project. One good client here can cover your whole month. The number 4 is AI-powered social media content. This is a perfect gig for anyone who loves content creation, but doesn't want to spend hours staring at the black screen. You will use tools like ChatGPT to write captions, use copy.ai to generate copy ideas, and use Canva to design carousels. And then use Midjourney or other image generators to create visuals. What do you actually do? You create post captions, image templates, social carousels, or even short-form video scripts using AI tools. Then package that up into a content calendar for your client. This works especially well for personal brands, creators, small businesses, or course creators who need consistent content but don't have the time or team to produce it themselves. Rates for this kind of work can range from 50 USD to a few pieces of content to 1,000 USD and more per month if you are managing full packages. And because it's recurring work, this can turn into stable income quickly. Next up is super underrated but very useful gig, which is AI research and summarization. This is perfect if you are the kind of person who loves digging into topics and making things easier to understand. Your job is to use tools like Perplexity AI, Claude, or ChatGPT to research trends, summarize long articles, or turn complex info into simple summaries or insights. Startups and marketers love this service because it helps them make smarter decisions without spending hours reading or Googling. For example, a client might say, "Can you summarize the top 5 trends in my industry?" Or, "Can you break down this 15-page report for me?" And here's the best part. You don't need deep expertise in the topic because the AI helps with the heavy lifting. You just organize and present the info to the client clearly. This kind of work usually ranges from 30 USD to 300 USD per project, depending on the length and the depth, which is great for quick, high-value gigs. Next, let's talk about a fast-growing opportunity: AI YouTube scripts and channel support. This is perfect for faceless YouTubers, infoproduct creators, or agencies that need help producing consistent, high-quality content. What you will be doing is writing YouTube video scripts, crafting clickable titles, generating thumbnail ideas, and optimizing SEO metadata or using AI tools. You can use ChatGPT to generate the script outline or even full narration. Pictory AI can help you turn that into video formats. TubeBuddy is great for optimizing SEO tags and titles. And if you want to level it up, Synthesia can even help automate the video production itself. This kind of support is in demand because YouTube creators want to focus on filming and running their business, and they will gladly pay for someone who can handle the creative backend. And the rates typically range from 100 to 750 USD per project, depending on how much you package together. You don't need to be a YouTuber to do this. You just need to know how to structure value-packed videos and use the tools. Now, let's move on to one of the most scalable and creative AI gigs, which is digital product creation. This is where you help businesses or creators turn their knowledge into ebooks, guides, templates, or checklists. These digital products are often used for lead magnets, online courses, or even direct sales. All you need is a tool like ChatGPT to generate the content, and use Canva or Notion to design and format it into a clean, usable file. You don't need to write everything from scratch. In fact, many clients just need help organizing their ideas into a polished, usable format. Course creators, coaches, and solopreneurs love this service because it saves them time and helps them grow their audience or revenue. And the great part is that you can offer this as a one-time gig or part of a large content package. Typical rates range from 100 to 1,000 USD or more per product, depending on the length and the design quality. Now, let's talk about website copy and funnel building, which is one of the most valuable services you can offer with AI. Most business owners need help writing landing pages, product descriptions, and basic funnel copy. That's where you come in. With ChatGPT or Jasper, you can quickly draft a high-converting sales copy that sounds professional and persuasive. You can go even further by helping them structure a basic sales funnel using tools like System.io or Card. These no-code platforms let you launch an entire funnel in a day. Startups, freelancers, and digital creators love this service because it helps them turn visitors into customers without spending weeks building themselves. These projects tend to pay well. Typically, rates range from 300 to 2,000 USD, depending on the scope and how many pages you are writing or building. This next one is fun, creative, and high value. AI-powered branding starter packs. A lot of new businesses struggle with how to present themselves online. They need help coming up with a strong brand name, tagline, mission statement, and a simple visual identity. You can deliver all of that with AI. With tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can brainstorm brand names, write positioning statements, and generate mood boards or logo ideas in minutes. This is especially useful for Shopify store owners, solopreneurs, or first-time founders who want to look legit but don't have the budget for a full agency. Depending on what you include in the package, you can easily charge 150 USD to 1,000 USD per project. This last one is a super flexible offer. Prompt engineering services. You've probably seen how powerful good prompts can be, but most clients don't know how to write them. That's where you come in. You can create ready-to-use prompt libraries, custom prompt packs, or even optimize existing ones for better results. This is perfect for coaches, course creators, marketers, or anyone using AI in their business. And for tools, you will want to experiment with ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek. All great for refining and testing your prompts. You can start by offering small prompt packs for 50 USD, or take no longer projects that go up to 1,000, depending on complexity and scope. Alright, so now that you've seen the top 10 most beginner-friendly and in-demand AI gigs, the next question is, how do you actually choose one to start with? Here's a simple way to narrow it down. First, look for something that matches your background or interest. If you've done writing before, AI content writing might be a natural fit. If you are interested in workflows, chatbot setup and AI automation could be your choice. Second, ask yourself what you would enjoy doing repeatedly, because freelancing is not just about doing the work once. It's about doing it again and again. So pick something that you won't get bored fast. Third, make sure there's a visible demand. Go to Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn and do a quick research. Are people hiring for that skill? If yes, that's a great sign. But you don't need to master all 10. You just need one to get started. Land your first gig, get your first win, and build from there. Before you move on, make sure to download the gig list and the pricing cheat sheet from this lesson. These two resources will save you a ton of time when you are setting up your services, figuring out what to charge, or picking a gig to test first. So grab your downloads, and I will see you in the next video.